Hello everyone, in today's video we will be explaining the process of using Stop and Shop gas points at Shell stations. Stick around until the end to learn the straightforward methods for redeeming your points. To begin, one of the most common methods to redeem your Stop and Shop points is by using the card swipe method. This method involves selecting the fuel rewards option at the gas pump to initiate the redemption process. After that, you need to swipe your fuel rewards card into the card slot on the pump, which will automatically reduce the fuel price according to the points you've accumulated. Another method is the Alt Idaho method, which closely resembles the card swipe method. The primary difference is that you access your reward points using an alternate code instead of the fuel rewards card. However, you still need to swipe your card to complete the process. To use this method, select the fuel rewards option at the pump, enter your Alt ID, and then choose whether to redeem all your rewards or just the savings from your gold or silver status on the next screen. Finally, swipe your card to complete the transaction. And there you have it. Utilizing Stop and Shop gas points at Shell is quite simple. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.